Hello, my dear viewers. How are you all? I really wish you all are fine and well, safe at your homes. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Street Fashion. Another amazing, beautiful video collection and ideas of door decoration. You guys will watch in this whole video. Really amazing, beautiful ideas. You guys will watch in my every video. So hopefully, my all videos will be helpful for you. To watch this video till the end. Definitely you guys will love my all videos and collection, and do subscribe the channel if you guys are watching the channel, watching the video first time, haven't subscribed my channel yet. It's my request to you all that do click the subscribe button and the bell icon as well, so you guys will never miss any video and collection. Easily you can watch the all latest videos updates just through the notification. Just to watch my all previous as well as upcoming videos too, and share with me your reviews, your positive feedback must in the comment section, so I will try to bring more amazing collection.